We've delivered products in a way that is customer-centric. We want to make sure that if there's something that they need to make a decision, that we present that in a way that is meaningful for them. We've done that through products and solutions that provided the ability to harvest data from our physical equipment.
The team's work on live mine scheduling equips BHP with meaningful data where it's needed the most.
So live scheduling aims to change the way we collect the information and way we use the information at the right point in time to deliver a plan going forward.
Everything we build at the Innovation Centre needs to be scalable and reusable. So our Mine Live Scheduling team have developed a solution to help short-term scheduling, and it's now being rolled out from Eastern Ridge to Whaleback. And the idea is that then that'll be able to be scaled across all of iron ore and then look to be scaled across to coal and other assets as well.
And this is just the beginning. With a large number of products and services in the pipeline right now, the Innovation Centre is set to transform BHP.
Gotten to the point that we're established and we can actually build things and get them out there. So I think over the next year or so it's going to be pretty exciting for us to reveal what BHP have done, and I think people will start to realise that we do a lot more than mining here.